My name is Harry J. Emily, and I'm a God's brave boy. God made me on purpose. He made me with care. He made me with gifts that He wants me to share. God has a plan for me, a plan that is good, to live out an adventure that no one else could. God calls me His son. In Him I belong, and because of His love, I'm courageous and strong. I'm loyal, I'm honest, I'm loving and kind. God gave me a powerful heart and mind. I stand up for people, I do what is right. When I put others first, it gives God delight. I love an adventure, I love to explore. God's creation is waiting outside my door. My life is a journey with Christ on my side. He is my strength and my shield, my friend and my guide. Jesus loves me and leads me. His word lights the way. He is present and listens whenever I pray. I am a miracle, I fill with His joy. So forever I'll shout, I am God's brave boy. Right, Terry? You are my God's brave boy. I love you.